Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Jam Kogo and today we are going to Moalboal. In this video, I will show you some spots and how to get around the place and share a few tips and suggestions that you might find useful on your trip here. Now I'm heading to the North Bus Terminal and I'm taking the 5 a.m. bus. It'll take about 3 hours to get to Moalboal. The fare is 156 pesos. And by the way guys, if you are like me who hates the scent inside the bus, don't ever forget to bring your tiger balm or white flower or anything that makes you feel better. Unfortunately on this trip, I forgot mine, so yes, cover your nose, girl. They're going. Taking a motorbike going to West Coast. The fare is 30 to 50 for locals and 100 for foreigners. There's always that difference. Alright guys, so this is gonna be my breakfast. I'm the West Coast Beach House. Actually this is free because I'm always here. So every time I come here in Panagsama, I always stay here in West Coast Beach House. They recognized me and as a token, they give me a free breakfast. How cool is that? So they have a dorm for only 414 pesos per night and it comes with breakfast. I booked it through Agoda. It is really good for backpackers because not only the price is cheap, it is very convenient as well. Because everything is walking distance. Restaurants, bars and party, and most importantly, the beach. For me, as long as the bed and pillows are comfy, there is air conditioning, and it's dark when I sleep, I'm all good. So let me show you a quick look of the room. So yes, this is what the dorm looks like. There's a lot of beds in here. There's a lot of beds, but we have a special room which is just this one, and the AC is right there. That is my bed right there, that on the side. So this is like a special room. Alright guys, we're heading out. I hope it's high tide. So before heading to the beach, we need a snorkeling gear. You can also rent it here for 150 for the fins. For those who like milk tea, you can also get it here. And by the way guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my upcoming videos. And So now we are heading to White Beach, where we can watch the beautiful sunset and chill. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes to get there from Panagsama, and the motorbike fare is 50 pesos. Nightlife? No worries. Chili Bar is popular for it. You can play billiards here, drown yourself with drinks, and the party starts at 9. Alright guys, so we can't go to Pescador Island now because they said that the waves are big when it's a beautiful day, and I'm going to check if it's really wavy, so we can't go there. To go snorkeling. We'll find some turtles here. They're just here everywhere. You have to find it. And the sardines is just right there. So yeah. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions for me, any video tips and suggestions, comment down below and see you on my next adventure. Love ya!